Welcome to this instructional video on how to use the Steiner LT300S-MR Mid Rise scissor lift with a 3000 kg lift capacity. Firstly, this unit comes with a wheeled control box that has a cable connection. Once turned on, a lamp indicates that the unit is ready for operation. To raise the platform, simply press the up button. Lowering is initiated by pressing the down button. When the platform is 300 mm from the base level, safety locks will engage. Before completing the lowering process, ensure that the floor space is clear. Then, press the pass button and the down button to complete the lowering process. An audible tone will notify the operator that the final lowering is taking place. The LT300S-MR has a flow regulator that can be used to adjust the raising and lowering speed of the platform. At the end of each platform are adjustable drive-on and drive-off ramps that can be locked into place to extend the runway if required. The Steiner LT300S-MR comes with two sets of heavy-duty rubber blocks that can be positioned under the vehicle's lifting points. There are 4 38mm blocks and 4 75mm blocks provided. The unit can be easily repositioned by the addition of nylon wheels that slide onto lugs on the connecting bars. However, it's important to note that the platform must be raised before attaching the wheels. The wheel with the caster yoke and tow eye should be placed on the bar with the single tow lug. Once the wheels are attached, the platforms can be lowered. Lowering the platform will lower the wheels into position and lock them into place with the weight of the platform. The platform must be lowered until the top of the caster mountings are in a horizontal position. Once the unit has been raised on its wheels, the power can be shut off and the control box disconnected from the power. The included tow handle can be attached for easy positioning of the Steiner LT300S-MR. And that's it for this instructional video on how to use the Steiner LT300S-MR Mid Rise scissor lift. We hope you found this helpful in using this piece of equipment effectively and safely.